Hi Beach, welcome back to my channel. We are doing an unboxing today. Your girl finally invested in some Timberland boots. It's from their ice cream collection, and I basically stalked the website until these bad boys were released. It was a very specific color, gray and peach, and they look super dope online. I can't wait to open up the box with you guys. So let's get to unboxing. Okay, so I have opened the box already, you know, so we could just slide out the shoe box here. There we go. Look at this. Beautiful box, baby. Get out with you. This is what the box looks like. It's very peachy colored or salmon colored. Some views. I got a size 8. I'm pretty sure they should fit on me. I thought maybe an 8.5, but I thought maybe going down a size would be the safest thing to do. So let's look at these. So pretty. Everything is pretty about this. The boxing, silver paper stuff in here. Oh my god. And it has a cute little ice cream peach. Oh, girl, stop playing. Who are you fighting today with this little ice cream on you? Oh my god. These are so dope. I've never owned my own pair of Tims. These are my first Tims ever. There's a bunch of glitter on it, like underneath the shoe, and all along the sole. There's this glitter detail in here, but it's like a gray color with the salmon around the top and with the laces. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This is like, well, maybe it's more like rose gold. So these are, ooh, this packaging is crispy. Hello, oh, hello. Are you guys ready to be put on my feet? I'm seriously, like, I've never been so excited to get a pair of shoes ever in my life. I've never had Tims. Yeah, look at how sick these look. The views, baby. The views. So we gon' see if y'all fit on my feet, so you can watch me struggle bus as I put these on for you guys, so you can see how cute it is on me. Tell me why these look good. Like, I could eat these. Okay, welcome to my countertop where, you know, I sit and put my feet on it and try on new shoes. Good shoe smell, straight out, fresh out. Ooh, crispy. You know, these are feeling a little on the crispy side. Fresh out the box. Oh my goodness. I really like the color on these because I think they're really versatile. I mean, it's gray and a nude color. So I like stuff like this that's a little bit different or off the cuff, but I think I went with the safest color selection. The other ones were purple, and trust me, I love purple. It's my second favorite color, but I just wouldn't know when to wear the purple ones, honestly. I don't have enough stuff that would match, but these are definitely a lot more versatile. And I hope they fit on my pretty feet. Oh. And I have no socks on. Some of you are like, you don't need to wear socks. Ooh, okay. We got one foot on. Go get this other foot on so we can really be styling on my countertop. Oh, come on, baby. I hate it when your shoes crease up. Like, I don't need these ones creasing up on me. Just gonna quickly tie these up. Oh, girl! Ooh, look at these. I love these. Like, I'm in love with these. I can't wait to wear them. You know, like, places, like not on my countertop. Hi, beach. I have arrived. How you doing? Wait, let me pose. Yes, honey. Yes. Ooh, I am loving these boots. And actually, this is like the right size. I definitely went with the right size. Getting an 8, that was like the smartest thing to do. This is how they look underneath. Oh my God. You guys. This is like an early birthday present to me because I really don't need anything for my birthday. And my birthday isn't until April. So yeah, let's just call this an early birthday present and call it a day. Here's some views. Views of the boots, guys. So sick. Like, I love the detail. You could see all like the little sparkles. I'm sure it's supposed to be like sprinkles, and this is a little ice cream keychain that goes with it. Overall, I gotta say I'm really happy with these. I mean, they are Tim's, so like I anticipate them being like really high quality shoes anyway. And I live in the Midwest, so plenty of cold opportunities to wear these beautiful boots. I definitely recommend getting the gray and the nude ones because I just think they're way more versatile than getting the lavender and purple ones. There's also a nude one with cutouts in it that's supposed to look like sprinkle cutouts. So there's also that option. I think that's still a better option than getting the purple ones just because you can mix and match a little bit more. These are just a lot more versatile for me. So, and I think I'll get some good wear out of them. I've never had Tim's, so this is like my first impressions. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, drop a comment down below to tell me what you think of the Tim's that I got from the ice cream collection, and watch the curve on your way out.